Hello students, welcome to the online class session of accountancy. Today in this online class session of accountancy, I will explain you the topic dishonor of bill which was sent to bank for collection. Dishonor of bill. Already I explained you the term dishonor of bill. Dishonor means not to honor something, not to respect something. Which was not honored bill means the bill's payment was to be made, but its payment was not made by the drawee on the date of maturity. Dishonor of bill means non-payment of bill by the drawee, which was sent to bank for collection purpose. But this bill, which was dishonored by drawee, was sent by the drawer to the bank for collection purposes. Okay. Already I explained you bill sent for collection topic. The same topic will also be used here for solving the question. Right? You can see your previous videos, okay, which I shared in the class group related to bill sent for collection. Although some introductory part or some explanation related to the topic bill sent for collection will again be repeated here. I will explain you. Okay. Now, let us solve this topic on the basis of question number 18 of NCERT. Okay, the best question to solve this topic. Couple purchased goods for Rs 21,000 from Gaurav. Okay, so Gaurav is the seller and he will be the drawer also. And Kapil will be the drawee or say purchaser. On 1st Feb 2017, okay, this is the date on which the transaction related to sale of goods by Gaurav took place and accepted a bill of exchange. Let us just pass the journal entry on the basis of the question right up to 1st Feb 2017. The journal entry will be debtor debit to sales. Already I explained you several times. Debtor debit to sales account. Kapil is the debtor here. Okay. And sales will be credited. Okay. Right. Debtor whenever increases is to be shown on the debit side and sales showing the decrease in goods will be shown on the credit side. The decrease in goods means decrease in asset. And decrease in asset is always shown on the credit side as per the rules of debit and credit. And debtor is also an asset. It is increasing and increase in asset is shown on the debit side. Coupled to sales will be the journal entry. Okay. Now, and accepted a bill of exchange. Who will accept the bill of exchange? The purchaser. Kapil. Drawn by Gaurav, the seller, for the same amount. Okay, when the debtor will accept the bill, then what will happen? The debtor will decrease and its place will be occupied by bill receivable. Okay, right? Because now the seller of the goods will receive the payment on the basis of this bill receivable. Okay, the agreement which is signed in between the seller and the purchaser. And Kapil, the debtor of Gaurav, will decrease because its place is being occupied by bill receivable. Okay. So the journal entry, the second journal entry will be bill receivable debit to debtor Kapil. Narration, you can see bills acceptance received from Kapil. Okay. Now further reading out the question. 18th. The bill was payable after 1 month. You can calculate 1 month. After 1st Feb, 1 month will be March 1st. Okay, plus 3 days of grace you can add to just calculate the date of maturity. It will be 4th of March. On 25 Feb 2017, Gaurav sent the bill to his bank for collection purpose. ठीक है, on Feb 25, Gaurav sent the bill to his bank for collection purpose. Okay, when the bill is sent for collection purpose, then what happens? There will be a decrease in bill receivable because the bill receivable will be handed over by Gaurav to bank. Okay, the decrease in bill receivable, or say the asset of the debt of the seller Gaurav, will be shown on the credit side as per the rules of debit and credit. Bill receivable, the asset whenever it decreases is to be shown on the credit side. Okay, now bill sent for collection to the bank. Bill sent for collection is indicating bank, the agency who has been given the task of collecting the bills payment from the drawee Kapil. Okay, so bank being indicated by the term bill sent for collection will be shown on the debit side, indicating the debtor of Gaurav, or say asset of Gaurav, and the increase in asset of the business unit or of anyone is indicated on the debit side as per the rules of debit and credit. So bill sent for collection showing increase in debtor will be shown on the debit side, and bill receivable is decreasing because it is handed over to the bank. Okay, right? So it will be shown on the credit side. Bill sent for collection account debit to bill receivable account. Feb 25. Okay, 21,000 rupees. Now further reading out the question. The bill was duly presented by the bank. Bank on the due date presented the bill on March 4 to Kapil for receiving the payment. Kapil dishonored the bill, but the same bill was dishonored and bank paid rupees 100 as noting charge also. Okay, right? The same bill was dishonored by Kapil on the date of maturity. Then what will happen? For Gaurav, the debtor will again increase. The debtor of Gaurav is Kapil, and bill sent for collection showing indicating bank, the debtor will now decrease because bank can't receive the payment from the debtor Kapil because he is not making the payment. So bank being indicated by the term bill sent for collection will decrease. Okay, and asset decrease will be shown on the credit side to bill sent for collection account. One more point is added on the credit side to bank. To bank is indicating the noting charges, the legal charges being charged by the notary advocate when Gaurav is going to remit the notice legally to his debtor Kapil, and for giving a legal notice to the debtor, Gaurav has to hire whom? Notary advocate, and notary advocate will charge his noting charges. So there will be a decrease in cash, or say a decrease in bank when the payment will be made to notary advocate. So, and the decrease in bank or say cash is shown on the credit side as per the rules of debit and credit. Bank or cash are the assets and decrease in asset is shown on the credit side. Okay, collectively you can show bank with bill sent for collection amount also, ठीक है, right? And individually or say separately also you can just show bank on the credit side, or you can mix up bank amount by the name of bill sent for collection. 21,100 also you can write on the credit side, ठीक है, mixing these two credit side items. Okay, and separately also you can show the noting charges by the name of bank. Okay, right? So this was the solution of question number 18. Just fear it up. Okay, right? And try to solve the related questions. Okay, a YouTube video link or the same explanation will be shared by me in the class WhatsApp group. You just repeatedly you watch the video, and if any queries there, you can just share your queries on my personal WhatsApp number. Till then, have a nice day.